If you create content or run a business online, what I'm about to show you changes everything. This, fully AI generated.
Will you marry me?
How old are you?
70 million in the bank.
That's a very good age.
You saw what we pulled off using Kling 2.6. The voice, the lip sync, the motion. But now, it's time for the next level. Now, quick heads up. In my last video, I promised I'd walk you through an N8N or make automation using Kling 2.6. That's still coming, but this update dropped and is just too big to ignore. Kling 3.0 is launching soon on Higgsfield.ai, and if 2.6 was impressive, this is going to be next level. Kling 3.0 is a massive leap forward, and you'll want to know what's changing before you build anything with it. Right now, we're used to 1080p resolution, short clips, and stiff character movements. But imagine this instead. These are the 6 biggest upgrades coming to Kling 3.0, pulled directly from Higgsfield's own blog. Links in the description if you want to check out the source. Native 4K with higher frame rates. Most AI tools max out at 1080p, and even then, compression is rough. Kling 3.0 is expected to deliver true cinematic resolution, making content feel premium and publish ready. Inpainting plus AI video editing. Kling 1.0 had this, but 3.0 is reviving it with more control. Now you can edit characters, scenes, or faces mid-video without re-rendering everything from scratch. Better physics and human interactions. Let's be real. Even Kling 2.6 sometimes looked robotic. But 3.0 is set to improve how characters move, interact, and emote, especially in multi-character scenes or emotional beats. 60-second video generation. This alone is a game changer. Instead of cutting clips every 5 seconds, you can generate an entire minute of continuous, consistent video. That means storytelling. That means ads. That means cinema. Audio and storyboarding tools. We're getting better AI-generated audio, but also director memory for character and scene consistency. Storyboard prompts. Input one line, generate an entire sequence. This is powerful for creators who need volume and speed. Upgraded motion control. You saw what 2.6 could do with a simple dance reel and a static image. Now imagine that, but with higher fidelity, smoother tracking, and cleaner transitions. That's what 3.0 is promising. If you're a content creator, solopreneur, or agency, you want first mover advantage here. The Kling 3.0 waitlist is open. I've linked it below. In the meantime, let me show you how I currently use Kling 2.6 to create viral-ready visuals. Here's a real example I built using Kling 2.6 motion control. Took a dance clip from Instagram, added a custom character, and boom! The AI matched the moves, style, and energy like it was built for TikTok. If you want the full step-by-step tutorial on how I did this, just check out the previous video. I walk you through it in detail. Now, if you want to try the motion control feature yourself, just select it from the Kling model, the 2.6 motion control in Higgsfield. For this example, I uploaded a dance video I found on Instagram and paired it with this input image. These were the settings I used, and here's
all night. 'Cause I was like, what, all night long. 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 'Cause I
Honestly, it's both impressive and hilarious. The AI nailed the motion, and I was genuinely blown away by how accurate it was. And remember, Kling 3.0 is rumored to take motion control to an entirely new level. So just imagine the upgrade in quality we're about to get. Or here's one with start plus end frame using Kling Omni. Simple prompt, smooth transitions. Here's the final video. If you'd like a detailed tutorial on how I did this, let me know in the comments. I'll be making a detailed tutorial on Kling 3.0 as soon as it officially drops. But in the meantime, you can join the waitlist and start experimenting with the current Kling models to create some truly incredible content. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, keep creating.